How to create a project in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a new board. Start by adding a new board specifically for the project. 2. Set up project categories. Organize tasks into groups like planning, execution, and completion. 3. Add essential columns. Include columns for task names, due dates, assignees, and statuses. 4. Break down tasks. List all tasks needed to complete the project step by step. 5. Assign team members. Use the People column to distribute tasks to the right team members. 6. Track progress. Use status updates to see which tasks are in progress or completed. 7. Review and adjust. Continuously monitor the project and make adjustments as needed.